In today's video, I'm going to guide you through setting up your Shopify store the right way. Whether you're new to e-commerce or looking to improve your existing setup, understanding how to effectively navigate the Shopify platform can be a game changer for your business. Let's dive in by first accessing your Shopify store. Head over to the Shopify admin page by opening your preferred web browser and logging into your Shopify account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the My Store homepage of your Shopify dashboard. This platform acts as the heart of your operations, providing you with everything you need to manage and customize your online store. Now that we're in, your next step is to click on the Online Store option located in the left-hand menu. This section is crucial because it's where you'll manage the visual aspects of your store. Page design, branding, and overall presentation can be controlled from here, aligning it with the unique look and feel you're aiming to present to your customers. Take a moment to explore the options here, but don't worry, we'll focus on the essentials for setting up. Moving along, our next focal point is the themes. Click on Popular Free Themes to begin viewing a variety of design templates. These themes are important assets as they define the layout and style of your store. Choosing a theme wisely can significantly impact how customers perceive your brand. So it's worth spending some time to find one that best represents your business and captures the vibe you want your visitors to experience. Remember, first impressions are crucial in online retail. Once you've browsed through the mod-free themes, the next step is to click on Visit Theme Store to check out a wider array of both free and paid themes. The Shopify Theme Store offers an extensive selection with filters for industry, style, features, and more. This is where you'll be able to explore professional templates that accommodate various functionalities and integrations, allowing you to optimize your store's performance and appearance. Be sure to look at the demo versions of the themes you're interested in. And don't forget to consider the customizability of each theme, as this will give you the flexibility needed to create a unique shopping experience. By following these steps, you're on your way to a fully customized, professional-looking Shopify store. Setting a strong foundation with your store's design is vital to attract, engage, and convert visitors into loyal customers. As you proceed, remember that the Shopify platform not only provides the flexibility to change themes, but also allows you to modify every detail to fit your brand perfectly. So feel free to take advantage of this as your store grows and evolves over time. Once you've chosen and customized your theme, continue exploring and expanding your store's capabilities through Shopify's extensive app marketplace and feature settings. Your journey with Shopify is just beginning, and armed with these foundational steps, you're well prepared to turn your e-commerce vision into reality.